Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a video about the reasons why I have recently decided to do the Couch to 5k program. So if you've been here for a while, you'll know that recently I have been through a significant weight loss journey. I've been at my goal now for over a year. I would say a year and 2 to 3 months. Managed to maintain my weight, really happy. Lost a little bit more than I planned to, but I'm healthy, I'm happy, and you know, I'm loving life basically in that respect. So yeah, I decided that after I got to goal that I did just want to kind of leave it there, but over time I feel like my anxiety's got quite bad. You guys will know if you're regular viewers that I've just been in a really difficult place recently, and I feel like a lot of people can relate being in lockdown, having this situation this year. It's just been so crazy and everyone's been really struggling. And when I was in therapy, I kept getting told, look, running is fantastic, running is a way to clear your mind, to create energy, to calm you down, release endorphins, like the working out side of things. So I just figured that I'd give it a try, and also it's about getting that time back for myself. So I finally decided to do the Couch to 5k, and I'm really excited about it, and I wanted to give you guys my reasons why I'm doing it, because I know a lot of you were like, you know, you're so small, you're so slight, how come you're working out? And the thing is, even though I'm very small framed, which is true, and for those of you that are wondering, it might not show because I'm wearing baggier clothes, but I'm about a size 6 to 8 UK, about 8.5 stone, so I've managed to put a little bit of weight on, which is great, because at my lowest I was 8 stone 2, which was quite low for my height considering I'm 5'5", I'm not short. And I just decided, like, I wanted to get healthier. Even though I was small and very slight framed, I am not the fittest, I'll be completely honest, and I wanted to get fit. But the main reason for me for doing this is, again, for that, finding that time for myself, finding that time to go and kind of just run away my stresses, run away my anxiety, and just have that mental thinking time to concentrate and focus on something else. Give myself a goal to kind of get to kind of distract me from other things that might be happening in my head and causing me to be anxious and unsettled. So yeah, I thought I would give it a go, and I have to say, I mean, I'm only week 1 in, so I've done 3 runs so far, but I'm absolutely loving it. I'm not gonna lie, it's not a walk in the park or a run in the park, but I'm enjoying that challenge. I feel like it's giving me something new to fixate on, which is great. And also in between running, I'm actually doing yoga every day as well. I'm doing yoga with Adrienne on YouTube. I love her videos. She just has such a way about her, the way she carries herself. So I'm doing yoga every day. So not only am I concentrating on everything else, but I'm concentrating on posture, which has been great. Yoga has been amazing for my mental health, for my kind of sereneness and calmness. And again, it's just about finding that time in the morning. I drop my kids off on the school run, I come home, I get my yoga mat out, and I do some meditation and some meaningful yoga, and I sit and I'm intentional about my day. I think about my day, and I think about just relaxing and being one and being present in the moment. With me working on social media, I'm never present in the moment. I'm always thinking about the next thing, I'm always thinking about the next task, the next campaign, you know, the next workload I have to do, and also being a busy mum as well. You know, there's just no mental space for thinking sometimes and being present. And I recently watched the documentary, the social media documentary, I can't remember what it's called, on Netflix, and it makes you think, and it's a scary thing. So I think having that time to switch off every day, whether I'm running or whether I'm doing yoga, is a really good thing for me, and it allows me to kind of detach from my current situation, which has been great. And I've just been really enjoying it. It has been a challenge, it's not easy, I'm not a natural runner, but I've been enjoying it, and it's been doing wonders for my mental health. I found myself feeling happier. Even though I'm exhausted, I found myself just being more positive, and just, I don't know how to describe it, I just feel better. I feel like it's doing something, and that might be a placebo, maybe it's not, but it's doing wonders for me. Which is great. I don't plan to lose weight. I know a lot of the concerns that you might be thinking is, well, you know, if you're running, you're gonna start to lose weight, and that was definitely a concern for me because I do not have the room to lose weight. I need to put on, if anything. So I have decided, or I've been advised, to up my calories during the day. So if you see my what I eat in a day that I'm having a bit more calorie intake, you find that my portion sizes are bigger, it's because I'm compensating for the fact that I'm working out. I'm running every other day and I'm doing yoga every single day. So I want to make sure that I'm getting everything that I need to function in a healthy way. I want to make sure that my body doesn't get burnout. I want to make sure that I'm giving it everything it needs to accommodate my new venture when it comes to running and working out, and I don't want to lose weight. So my main concern is kind of toning up, getting my arms a bit more toned. I mean, they're not bad at all. They're not bad, I'm not gonna lie, but I would like them to be slightly more toned. I'm hoping to tone out my obliques a little bit with the running and with the yoga, my butt, my thighs, and just kind of work on the body that I've worked really hard to get. I feel like it just feels like the next positive step for me. But the main reason I'm doing it is for the mental health benefits. Honestly, even so far, even though it's just a week in, I feel a world apart than I felt before I started, and that can only be a good thing. I mean, like I said, it might be a placebo, it might be because I'm doing something, I'm fixating on something else, my mind isn't wandering off elsewhere, but there has to be a positive thing. If it's having a positive impact, it doesn't matter whether that positive impact is literal. Even if it's a mental impact for me and it's not really there, but I'm creating it, I'm perfectly okay with that because it's helping me in more ways than one. So that is why I've decided to do Couch to 5k. I am so thrilled that you guys have been cheering me on. You've been sending me such lovely comments, such lovely advice and tips. You've just all been so kind. If you are doing Couch to 5k, please pop in the description box, not the description box, sorry, the comments box down below, any tips, advice, especially when it comes to upping your calories, like what did you find worked well, portion sizes, all of that. I'm a complete beginner, I'm a complete novice when it comes to running. So any tips you guys have to share would be great. I have done a running for beginners essentials that I found really helpful for me when it comes to clothing, apps, accessories, items that have really helped me and that are continuing to help me on my journey. So that'll be coming very soon. I wanted to get this video up first, kind of just explaining what I'm doing, because you might be like, why do you know this workout gear when you don't work out? So this is a video explaining I'm doing Couch to 5k. Really happy with it so far. I'm just excited and pumped for the challenge. I think it'll be good for me. Again, just creating that time, creating that mindful moment to be present and just be alone with my thoughts sometimes and just have focus on something else. And of course my yoga, my meditative side, it's just all going to come full circle, and I'm just feeling very positive about it. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited to come on this new journey with me. I'm going to be documenting on here as well as my regular content, like what I eat today. All of that won't change. It's just a new little avenue that I'm throwing in for people that might want to start doing a bit of working out, or you might just decide one day, like I did, that you want to do Couch to 5k, you want to get your body moving in some way. So yeah, that's my reasons for it. I thought I would sit down and address it, so it's not just kind of coming from nowhere. You guys know now my reasons for starting, and if you have any advice to share, please do let me know. And no comments like, you know, negative, you're too small to be working out, blah, blah, blah. You know, I'm doing what's right for me and my body. I'm taking advice from my GP, I'm taking advice from my family and friends and people that I'm involved with, like my therapist and things like that. So I'm perfectly okay to be doing this, guys, and I am going to be upping my calories, so please don't worry about me. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a like if you enjoyed it, and if you are doing Couch to 5k, please share your thoughts, experiences, everything like that. I would love to know how you're all doing, how you're getting on, and if you're having a bit of a slump, we can do this together. I'm very excited. So yeah, thank you so much. Give it a like, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.